Here's how chiropractic adjustments work. So subluxation creates sympathetic dominance, which then creates gut issues, immune issues, endocrine issues, inflammatory issues, you name it. When people and kids get adjusted, the anti-inflammatory markers, so the things that help the body rid the body of inflammation, they go up. The inflammatory triggers, like histamines and so forth, have been shown to go down. So absolutely, this kind of chiropractic has a massive anti-inflammatory effect. It's wildly helpful. Again, not a treatment, not a cure for anything. Not for allergies, not for ear infections, not for back pain, not for autism, because we're not looking to treat and cure. We're looking to the body to get better on its own by making the nervous system work better, and the nervous system is the boss of the body.